here in Ohio, outside Toledo. It's been an all-day rain, soaking rain. Thought I saw snow flurries at one point driving over here. Still headed to Connecticut. So I should be Connecticut sometime on early Monday morning. But for right now, we get some rest, some dinner, and chill out here in Ohio. Parked at a service plaza. Just came from taking a shower. Got me a spot next to the wood line. Hopefully it'll be a little quiet. I mean, this place is gonna fill up. Got all these trucks, all these parking spaces here. So they will be definitely filling up tonight. But it is clean, fresh air right now. Cold rain. Perfect sleeping weather for me. Some pictures of fancy, yeah. But it is still winter up in the northern states, even though you don't see any snow. Get a picture of my truck. Everything's still riding good. We'll see what the weather's like tomorrow. Peace for now. If you want to go trucking, that's the company to look for. I highly recommend them.